The best part about syrups is as you make them, they're warm and you can infuse them and use that heat to infuse flavors into them.
Expert how-tos.
Today we'll be making brown sugar syrup with citrus. Any syrup, pretty much by definition, has a sweet component and is balanced out by an equal part of water. If you're doing a simple syrup, that is considered a light syrup. So a simple syrup would be a 1-to-1 ratio, sugar to water. If you use a general white sugar, or you can also use a demerara or a brown sugar as well. So if you're building a fruit syrup, you just need the skin of the peel to get the flavor out. So to start off, we'll measure out, either on a scale or with a measuring cup, equal parts sugar and water. We'll bring that to a simmer over medium heat. As that fully dissolves to get the sugar, we'll take that off the heat, allow it to cool. Then we'll introduce citrus peels, lemon and orange to build the flavor out. Once we take the equal part sugar concentration off heat, you want to let it cool. As it cools, you can introduce your citrus component. You have lemon and orange. You can either zest or you can do peels and let that soak inside the syrup. For this volume of syrup, for approximately half a liter of syrup, I would do 1 citrus, so 1 orange, 1 lemon, and go from there and see how the flavors come together for you. The longer you let the citrus peels steep, the greater the flavor extraction, or the more citrus you introduce, also the greater the flavor. Always start off with less flavor and always build up to more flavor down the road. You can always add more, but it's very difficult to pull the flavor back once you've created the syrup. Once the infusion is completed, you want to strain all of the flavorings out. So take all the citrus out, usually use a fine tea strainer, and then you can store it in a bottle in the fridge, definitely refrigerated at all times, for up to a month. So right now we're straining out the citrus. So we're getting the citrus zest and citrus peels all the way out of the syrup. This will stop the infusion process. You can always taste once the syrup is cool if you would like. I would recommend taking a small dab on the back of your hand. Perfect.